The Outback Photography Workshop is a unique outdoor and environmental education program that allows students to engage with nature in a positive, fun and creative way.
I really like camping and I really enjoy taking photos, so putting those two things together in one trip really appealed to me.
This camp has been by far my favourite of my school life so far. There's just been so much freedom, and the added aspect of photography as well as seeing all these amazing landscapes is such a cool experience. I really enjoyed it.
The program runs during the school holidays, touring through vast landscapes and visiting places of cultural and environmental importance, such as Woolleen Station, Kalbarri National Park, the Australian Wildlife Conservancy's Mount Gibson Sanctuary, and a working farm in the state's wheat belt.
My favourite day of the trip was when we did an op shop photo shoot. So we all went to an op shop and we bought the most random, outrageous clothes, and we spent a good day just going to different landscapes and taking just fun photos.
Students are encouraged to explore both the technical aspects of photography, such as the relationship between aperture, ISO and shutter speed, as well as challenging notions of photography through composite imagery.
Taking photos in manual mode really helped me be more creative with my photos and change the settings that I wanted to change instead of the camera doing it for me.
I like how we learnt on the go and didn't have really formal lessons. We didn't all learn the same thing, and it was actually useful what we learnt.
I wanted another chance to spend time in the outdoors, and photography was something I didn't really know a lot about, so I guess I took a chance on it and had a really good time.
Through photography, I'm able to capture that moment and express what it's like to live in that moment. It's a certain special form of art for me.
With the images they created, we hope they look back on this program as a fun, positive experience in Western Australia's beautiful and culturally rich landscape.